HTML content editable. So what that simply means that if you have something like paragraph and have some sentence inside, like hello world, if you refresh, you will see it in, you will see the output. Okay, let me make it a bit bolder. Okay, let me leave it like that. Let me leave it like that. You can see this output now. You cannot do anything in this output. You can't edit it. So what HTML content editable does is that you can add it inside the first opening tag. You can say something like content editable. You can see it here. HTML content editable. You can see now. You can actually edit it now. You can see the output. You can edit it from the browser, but it will not have any effect in the editor, just in the browser there. Okay, if you refresh again, it will still appear. Then this content editable is what is it called? Attribute. Content editable is an attribute, so it accepts two values. The two values are true or false, but by default, if you leave the value empty, it will be by default true. Okay, so for instance, let's say false here. Okay, let's say false here. If you say false here, you can't do any, you can't edit it, you can't do anything here, you can't edit it. But if you say true, if you say true now, you cannot edit it. So if you clear the value of this of the content editable absolute, by default it is true. Okay, so you can do this editable, you can use it in every many elements. For instance, this is for paragraph. Let's refresh. This is for paragraph. Let's also create h1, head 1, head 1. Let's do the same hello world. Okay, hello world. This is for head 1. Okay, let's do content editable. Let's give space. Content editable. You can see I cannot edit this hello world now. You can see in the browser. That is what this HTML content editable is all about. What else again now can we edit now? In fact, the whole of from head 1 to head 6 is editable. Let's do it. Shift, let's duplicate this up to, okay, let's add more one, making it 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's make this one header 2, header 3, header 4, header 5, header 6. Okay, I have to put the sentence in the closing tag. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have the same thing here. So you can edit anyone you want. You can edit it and say everyone, everyone. So hello world, comma my people, my people. But I don't think it means anything, but just for illustration purpose. Okay, hello world. You can just write anything, any random thing you want here. So assuming we have this list and you want to restrict editing in any of them. Let's say you want to restrict editing in header 2, just come to the content editable attribute in header 2 and add to the value false. Give it a false value. Okay, it refreshed. So it's only this header 2 now. This header 2, only this one will be restricted from editing. Others will be editable. For instance, you can see you can't do anything here. Can't do anything here. But when you come to this one now, you can edit. You can just add 2, 3, 4, anything. You can just add, but here you can't. Then here you can. Here you can. Here you can. Here you can. So that is how HTML content editable. You can edit the editing. The changes you are making in the browser is not having any effect on your editor. Your editor will still remain the same. Once you refresh, it goes back to what it was. So as it is, like, you can edit here, but it will not have any effect in your code editor. So it's just only in the browser. Okay, so that is it for HTML content editable. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.